Video because I'm sharing with you some really awesome ponytails that you could rock for any occasion. I tried to come up with ponytails that would suit everyone's style, so I did a chic one, a more effortless one, and an elegant one, so you'll have to let me know which looks your favorite. But that's all I have to say for now, so let's go ahead and get started. First ponytail is sleek and chic. I love it so much. So start with your hair pinned straight and apply your favorite gel or pomade. I'm just using my go-to from Herbal Essences to smooth away the flyaways. Next, gather all your hair where you want your ponytail to sit, and I find using a fine tooth comb will really help give you that smooth and sleek appearance. Now, it could take some time to get it perfect. I had to redo mine about 3 times. Oh, and don't forget about those neck hairs. Now, I love the appearance of the hair crossing over the ear, so just hold your hair tight and use the end of your comb to slide underneath your side section and then slightly pull it outwards to loosen it, and then just smooth it back over your ear. Once you're happy with the look, just secure your hair into a tight, low ponytail. And then feel free to pull out some small sections to frame your face. Okay, the fun part. Grab about a 1-inch size section of hair from the top of your ponytail, and depending on the amount of hair that you have, you might want to grab a larger section. Make sure it's nice and smooth and begin tightly wrapping it around your ponytail. As you're wrapping, you'll want your hair to sit below the previous wrap to create that tube effect. Now, as you're wrapping, your section is going to get shorter and shorter. So with about 2 to 3 inches remaining, grab another 1-inch section from the underside of your ponytail and just join it into that first section. Once joined in, continue wrapping as far down your ponytail as you like. Now, if you have layers, just try to make sure that you're grabbing the longest piece of hair you can find. Once you're happy with the length of the wrap, just grab another 1-inch piece of hair and join it into your section. Once it's joined in, begin wrapping back up your ponytail until you reach your head. If your hair is too short to continue wrapping, just bring it up the underside of your ponytail. Once you've reached your head, grab a bobby pin and begin tightly wrapping your ends around one side of the bobby pin to hold them in place. Once they're wrapped, slide your bobby pin up the underside of your ponytail behind your hair elastic and then just secure it with a second bobby pin. And that's it. Really simple, really chic, and perfect for a night out. Second ponytail is effortless yet can be dressed up. So start with tousled waves. I used a 1 1/4 inch barrel and I'm just adding some dry shampoo. This one's from Chlorane. I love using it to add volume at the crown, but you could also tease your hair. Quickly, I'm just sectioning off my bangs by placing my finger about 1 inch back from my hairline and just tracing down to the front of my ear, and then I'm just clipping these away. Okay, time to get to work. Grab about a 1-inch section of hair at your part near the front of your face. And I'm just going to sneak in a 1-clip weft underneath this section and join it in to help add extra thickness. Next, grab another 1-inch section of hair just below that previous one at your hairline, and don't worry about these sections being too perfect. And then same thing, I just snuck in another 1-clip weft and just joined it into my section. Now with these 2 sections, we're going to create a lace rope braid. First step, take the bottom section and you're going to bring it up and in front of your top section, and you're going to bring your top section down. So we crossed one over the other. Now to create the lace portion of the rope braid, super simple. You want to add hair into only the bottom section. I find it easiest to cross the bottom section over first, just like the last step, and then add in the hair. So gather about a 1-inch section of hair from your hairline. Doesn't need to be perfect, just make sure it's completely sectioned off to prevent tangles, and then cross it up and over, joining it into that top section. So now you want to repeat the same steps and try to direct the twist towards the back of your head. So again, cross that bottom section up and in front of your top section, bringing that top section down. And then grab a 1-inch size section of hair from your hairline and ensure it's completely sectioned off. And then cross it up and join it into that top section. And you just want to continue those same steps. Sometimes when I create a lace rope braid, it comes out too loose, and that's because I didn't grab enough sections and I rushed through it. So remember, the smaller sections you grab, the more detailed and tighter it will be. So continue lace rope braiding, directing the braid towards the middle of the back of your head where you want your ponytail to sit, and continue grabbing 1-inch sections from your hairline as you move along. I did the same braid with a slightly different technique in another tutorial that you might find helpful as well, so I'll link that down below. Once you've reached the back of your head, hold your twists tightly, and my favorite part, gently pull on the tops of your twists to fan them out. This is going to give them a nice full appearance, and this is where the extensions really come in handy. All right, clip your twist to the back of your head, give your arms a break, and feel free to repeat this on the other side if you like. Now, begin gathering all the remaining hair where you want your ponytail to sit. I chose about ear height, and then you just want to secure everything together tightly with a hair elastic. Once secure, just pull in small sections of hair around your crown to add even more volume. You guys know the drill. To glam up the ponytail, grab a 1-inch section of hair from the underside and just begin wrapping it around your ponytail to hide your elastic. And then wrap your ends around one side of a bobby pin and then slide it up behind your elastic on the underside of your ponytail. Now section off about the top third of your ponytail and just clip it out of the way. And then begin working in small horizontal sections, teasing the remaining hair near the base of your ponytail. This will help give it that nice full appearance. Now let down the top section to hide the teasing and just smooth it all down. One last step, a little trick that I like to do, insert 2 bobby pins through the middle of your ponytail, one on the left and one on the right, and push them down towards the base of your neck, and this will just help to perk up your ponytail. And there we have it, a really pretty ponytail that's perfect for summer. Third, we have an easy and elegant ponytail. So start with loose waves or curls, and starting on the left side, place your finger at the back of your part and begin tracing down towards the middle of your neck. Then just section off your hair and throw it over your shoulder, placing it out of the way for now. And then repeat the same thing on the right side, tracing from the back of your part to the middle of your neck, sectioning this off and then just placing it out of the way for now. Next, to gather all the remaining hair at the back of your head, and you should still have some hair down by the nape of your neck that we sectioned off earlier. Once you've gathered all your hair, just secure it into a tight, low ponytail. All right, now turn your ponytail into a topsy tail by sectioning your hair in the middle right above your hair elastic, creating a little hole. Make sure it's nice and sectioned, and then flip your ponytail up and then pull it through the hole, and it should slide through pretty easily. And there you have it. Now you have a topsy tail, and we're going to make it pop. Anchor your ponytail with one hand, and with your index finger and thumb on your other hand, to start pulling on small sections of hair on your twist to help add fullness and really make your twists stand out. Make sure you also pull on small sections of hair around the crown of your head to help add volume, and it just makes this hairstyle look more detailed and intricate. Have fun with this, and don't be afraid to really pull apart these sections. All right, first topsy tail done. Now grab your left section of hair from earlier and your right section and just join them together just below our previous topsy tail. And then secure them together with a small clear hair elastic. And then same thing as before, flip your ponytail up and pull it through to create a twisted topsy tail. And then tighten it so that it covers that previous hair elastic. And then have some fun with it. Pull on small sections of hair at the top of your twist to help make them pop, and then as well on the sides to create that pretty swoop detailing over your ear. And that's it, super quick and the perfect ponytail for any occasion. Guys, I can't pick a favorite this time. I love them all. They're just so fun and flirty, and I love that you can dress these down or dress them up for a special occasion. But I'd love to know your thoughts in the comments down below, and please let me know which ponytail was your favorite. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.